Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today video is about how we can automate our emails, automate our newsletters, and with the help of n8n workflow. So in this workflow I have created a simple scheduler which is like a schedule trigger, which is work as a cron job. It can trigger every 5 minutes or whatever day or time you can select over here. You can customize it, and you can also customize in the minutes between, and you can customize your rules as well. And so what it means basically, when in whatever time you will select, whatever periodic time you will select, it will trigger your workflow on that particular time, and you will get a whatever you have scheduled. Okay, next I have added a trigger which is like a messenger model. I'm using an OpenAI model here. You can see the configuration over here. I already configure it, and I'm using the free credits of n8n right now, and I'm using a messenger model, and I'm using a model GPT 4.1 mini here, and I have given the prompt like this. You can see generate a news, and I have created a detailed overview of how what I want and and what I not want. And you can also customize much more things as well. You can see in the right hand side the output from the ChatGPT model, and here are the top news of the day. Okay, just a second node. The third node will be sending a message to the email. Okay, so whatever output we are getting from the OpenAI, I just passing it into the subject and body here, and you can see I'm using this message format particularly, which is actually passing the message to the particular result what I want to send it to the email. Okay, I have mentioned hard-coded here the email that I want. Okay, you can automatically configure it with like a different like a email list as well, and yeah, you'll get a response like this, like the message is sent properly, perfectly. Okay, so this AI workflow I had trigger for every 5 minutes, and you can easily manual trigger and see what the response is. Okay, so I had trigger. Let's trigger it, and you can see workflow executed successfully message over here. And once I want to send it to this email, yeah, the message also said, you can see the right tick mark over here, so that means the workflow trigger properly. Let's see in the email what I'm getting. You can see I got a new email which is called Daily AI and Finance News 2026 up to the date and time. So top 5 news updates, global summit, Cron, major tech company, and this and this. Okay, so this kind of things newsletter you can automate in your company, in your sales leads, and if you want to follow ups, and you want to send some kind of triggers to your company members, and any kind of things you want to do, and just automatically you don't want to manually trigger everything. So in this particular workflow I'm using the ChatGPT for generating a news. Okay, you can use any kind of thing. You can put Google Sheets to take a data from and send it out to the mail, and you can customize anything. So there's lots of options you have seen, and you can use the data transformation to manipulate the data. You can use any other model, and use the response of that model and send it out to the email, or send it out to the any kind of different trigger as well. Okay, so this is a short workflow how we can trigger the newsletters, and in this way you can trigger the leads, you can trigger any kind of thing to the email, to the sheets, and whatever things you want to use. Okay, so for that as well, I'm using the OpenAI free credits, that is completely free. You can also you can use your OpenAI account, the personal account with API key. That thing is configurable. And let's see what other options we have right now. We have lots of other options, like you can have like manipulate with the Microsoft or Google Sheets, and you can also work with like uploading a post to media or social media. You can also use different kind of embedding things as well, and lots of other things as well. You can also play with the graph APIs of Facebook and WhatsApp as well. You can also send WhatsApp trigger as well, like business and WhatsApp messages automatically as well. So any kind of things you can do. And this is all about the workflows, and you can create a complex workflows as well. And if you want any kind of particular workflow that need to be created, that you have doubt in mind and you want it to build it perfectly, just message it out on this video and I will create definitely a next video on that. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. And like this video, share this video as well. And thank you so much for watching.